Hello everyone, today I have a review of another knife from the German company Otter, model Draco. A beige pouch with the manufacturer's logo for storing the knife. A leaflet with information in English and German languages. A wipe for the knife. Additionally, I got a leather keychain and a few stickers. And the knife itself. Total length is 19.5 centimeters, blade length is 9 centimeters, blade thickness is 3 millimeters. The steel of the blade is 1.4034. It is a German stainless steel, tempered between 56 to 58 HRC, full flat grind, satin finish. On the blade you can see the name and logo of the company, the Piston Otter, and the inscription Rostfrei, Zollingen, opening with nail nick. The handle scales are made of stabilized poplar wood in blue color. It looks amazing. A very pleasant texturing. The whole thing is rifted. Stainless steel profiled ferrules. Slip joint. In summary, a larger classic pocket knife from the Otter company. I have a huge sentiment for slip joints and I like this type of knife, especially from the European manufacturers. I love this handle. It's my first stabilized wood. I can stop looking at these designs. Really cool. Strong spring. You have to put some force into open and fold it, but that's good. Safety comes first. Solid. Impeccable workmanship. Everything is nicely vaulted. Nothing sticks out and nothing catches. I also recommend purchasing a leather sheath, which is perfect for storing the knife. Elegant, a great idea as a gift for everyone and for everyday carry. Definitely one of the most beautiful pocket knives I've ever seen. That's all this review, thanks for watching.